Hi guys, it's me, Selena, and today we are playing Clash Royale? Yeah, Clash Royale. I always have trouble saying that. Okay, that. Yay. I've always wondered why their fingers are like square. Well, like rectangle. Yeah, go Giants. Gonna go on you because you're the strongest. Holy crap. That guy's just kicking. They're just kicking their butts right now. I can't say anything like that. Yeah. Go back down. Okay then. You. There. No. Just bye. Bam. You. What? Bomber. Next. Arrows. Okay. There. Deal with it. Okay then. Wait. Okay, there. Why do they make those weird sounds? It's just weird. Yeah, kill him. Kill him. I'll go with the giant. Gonna end this with a fireball. Yeah! Okay. That was not manly. Here. Okay. So wait a second. I have my shoes on. But there. This is the ultimate manly, yeah. Yeah! What did that sound? I don't know, I'm just trying to be weird, also kind of cool. Okay. Dun. I'm still in the training camp because I just downloaded this. Good luck. Seriously? Don't have to be mean to me. So sad. I'm gonna kill you guys. Die. What? They have those guys now? Come on. Do the bomber on it. Do the bomber. There. Come on. I love how he just like jabs them with the sword. Kind of funny, but yeah. You're not gonna mess with my guys. What? I'm gonna go with the giant. And you guys. Don't. Yes, I won! Yay! Okay. Dun. No. No. Yay! Okay. Cards. Okay. Click. I clicked on them. Oh, update. I thought you had like to hold on him and move him, but no. Battle. Open. No! Oh, I thought I was just gonna get back. Fireball. Oh, I like that. I don't know. I think I should say I like that. I don't know. Weird. Oh, they all just died. It's like. His walk is weird. Okay. Die! Die! No, I don't think so. He just stepped on them, they just all died. Bam, 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 bam. What? Die. Oh, you die with him. That's good. Yeah. I have 0 guys on the battlefield right now. Oh no! Oh no! 2 things! Oh no! Oh. Oh my gosh, I almost ran out of time and I did it. My heart was like, bum, 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 bum. You know? Okay. Open. Open! Close. Yeah. Open. Okay. Yes, I'm gonna do the card thing. After. What do you got? Battlefield open. Sorry, this is taking a while. Just, good thing I'm upgrading the bomber because I need him to be upgraded. It's a lot better than he was, but it's not, fantastic. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Why? That's annoying. Good. Sorry. I don't know. I had caffeine like a little bit ago, so yeah. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful! It's so cute! Why? He's a baby dragon! His tongue is blue! It's so cute! So cute! Yay! I want to try the dragon. I want to see what it does. This guy. Cuteness! He can fly! Oh my god! Pew 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 Fireball. Die, king, die! How come the king is always... no. I don't know. The walk is so cute. Even makes little sounds. Thank you, that. Oh, it's so cute. I just want to watch him. Oh, don't kill him. How dare you? How dare you kill my baby? Oh, my only baby. Big. Giant. Excuse me. How come I always burp in every single video? I have no idea. This little dude. I want to upgrade him and then he can be like a giant. No, there's only 30 seconds left. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, bomber. This person. This person. Come on, die, king, die! 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 You grave. I want to redo that one. Okay. I want to do like what is your name? I'm just gonna come up with a nickname. I don't know. I don't know, but anyways, just subscribe and stuff, and leave a like. I'll see you guys later, cause it's almost 15 minutes. So bye.